Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a new session on Union Budget. This is going to be the part 2 of Union Budget. You are aware that I've actually even stated in the previous video that I'll be uploading one more session on Union Budget. By watching this session, your preparation of Union Budget will be considered complete. If you are the citizen of the country, you need to know what the government is doing. That means how they are earning and where they are going to spend the money. But as a student who's preparing for the government job exams, you need to know more about the budget, that too in detail, because I'll be mentioning here the numbers also. You have to learn them all. Believe me, if you actually are preparing for any competitive exam, it can be SSC, Bank, Kendriya Vidyalaya, SSB, CDS. This session is going to be super beneficial for you. The questions will always be asked. The questions are always asked and you are aware. So watch the session till the end. If you are not comfortable with the English medium session, you can switch to the Hindi session that is also there in the playlist. We record a separate complete English medium sessions for our students from South India, for our students from Northeast India, like the students who are in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Manipur. Those students who are not very well versed in Hindi, they actually watch the complete English medium session. So we record such sort of sessions for them. If you understand everything, whatever I'm teaching you, do press the like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, do press the bell icon along with it. That's how you will receive notifications of all the exam relevant videos which we upload. Let's start from here on and let's see what is coming up on the screen. Okay, now you can see that, facts and figures scheme wise, that means we are actually showing you that what are the allocations here, how the money will be spent. That is what the budget is. Let's say even if you are there in your house, you know how much you are earning and at what all places you will be spending money. That means if you are earning 100 rupees, that 100 rupee will be divided into 10 various things here as well on the screen too. That means facts and figures scheme wise 2023-24, that is the budget for the year I'm referring to. So Manrega, majorly or popularly known as Manrega, it is MG Manrega. 60,000 crore is the allocation for this. Jal Jeevan Mission, 70,000 crore is the allocation for the same. Scheme for faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. We know that government is promoting electric vehicles like anything. FAME is the abbreviation of the same. FAME is the abbreviation of the same, where we are stating that faster adoption, manufacturing of electric vehicles. That is what it means. Faster adoption, manufacturing of electric vehicles. The budget here, scheme wise allocation here is 5172 crores. If we move to the next point, it is development of pharma industry that we very much require. It is 1250 crores. Eklavya model residential schools are there. We all know that. Tribal schools, if you can call them. 5,943 crore is the allocation for it. Aspirational blocks program to cover 500 districts in 31 states and union territories combined. I'll repeat. I have said budget is the most important aspect in your exam. You have to study whatever I'm teaching you. Do learn all the points, whichever is there on the page. I am saying facts and figures scheme wise 23-24, that was the budget for. As per that, Manrega got 60,000 crores allocation. Jal Jeevan Mission got 70,000 crores allocation. Scheme for FAME, which is for electric vehicles, 5172 crores. Development of pharma industry by providing it 1250 crores. 5943 for Eklavya schools, and aspirational block program got as in it is going to cover 500 districts which will be there in 31 states and union territories. So if some page is there on the first number, kindly understand the value of it because of a reason it is there on the first page. The second page is PM Awas Yojana got 79,590 crores. Northeast Special Infra Development Scheme got 2491 crores allocation. 10,000 crore for UIDF. There are students who are going to say that, we are not able to learn this much. You don't have any option actually. Try to learn them then and there by repeating them often. If there are notes that you have prepared, keep separate pages for union budget, in which you yourself will be writing everything in detail. Multiple times you have to read them, that the allocation for 2491 crore is for Northeast Special Infra Development Scheme. 10,000 crore UIDF, that means Urban Infra Development Fund. Urban Infra Development Fund, that is UIDF, 10,000 crore for the same. Now it is for tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Atmanirbhar Clean Plant Program for high value horticulture crops, 2,200 crores allocation. PM PVT, it's not private. Pradhan Mantri, particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Particularly vulnerable tribal groups. That is what PVTG is. So Prime Minister's particularly vulnerable tribal groups development mission for 3 years. 15,000 crores will be spent on that. The next point is 500 waste to wealth plants under Gobardhan. So 500 waste to wealth plants, that means we are saying that under Gobardhan, that means we are saying that galvanizing organic bioagro resources dhan at 10,000 crores. So waste to wealth, on which it will be getting 10,000 crores allocation. From waste to wealth, 10,000 crores allocation to that under Gobardhan scheme, and it is galvanizing organic bioagro resources dhan. Dhan is dhan. National Green Hydrogen Mission. National Green Hydrogen Mission, 19,744 crores allocation for the same. Green energy transition. Everybody wants that green energy. Everybody should shift to green energy. So green energy transition in 35,000 crores. 9,000 crores infused in revamped MSME credit. 9,000 crores infused in revamped MSME credit guarantee scheme from 1st April 2023. MSME credit guarantee loan. 9,000 crores for it. Additional collateral free credit. See what is important, collateral fee. That means you are actually not keeping anything as collateral to take loan. That means collateral free credit of 2 lakh crore. They are actually saying that 9,000 crore more infused in revamped MSME credit guarantee scheme. They are saying in this we have actually we have invested 9,000 crores more. 2 lakh crore is the budget and it is collateral free. Amrit Dharohar scheme for wetlands. Amrit Dharohar scheme for wetlands. See, every day you listen to new wetland, discovery of new wetland. So now you have to understand they have to be protected, they have to be preserved well. So Amrit Dharohar scheme is for wetlands, because they are going to ask you this question in the exam. The easiest, you have to learn it, that Amrit Dharohar scheme is for wetlands. The next question is important announcements. The one is scheme to promote alternative fertilizers. PM Pranam. Scheme to promote alternative fertilizers, which is PM Program for Restoration Awareness, Nourishment and Amelioration. That means you are improving. Ameliorate means to improve. Of Mother Earth. So amelioration of Mother Earth is going to start, nourishment is going to start, and program for restoration and awareness. That's how you can learn. So program for restoration, we are going to restore awareness, nourishment, amelioration of Mother Earth. That is what PM Pranam is. They actually ask the full forms of such kind in every exam. From the session of budget alone, you will see at least 4 to 5 questions. Even if you find it boring, consider it the budget of your house and learn it. It is important. Please understand that. You can't skip a single question. PM Pranam, full form. What is it regarding? It is for alternative fertilizers. Bharat Shri, shared repository. Shared repository of inscriptions to be set up for digitization of ancient inscriptions where something is inscribed. Inscriptions are there, ancient inscriptions are there where something is written. So Bharat Shri is for making them digitized basically. So Bharat Shri shared repository of inscriptions to be set up for digitization of ancient inscriptions. Launch of PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana, 4th edition. That is going to be the 4th number of it. So launch of PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana 4.0. Net zero carbon emissions by 2070. Net zero carbon emission by 2070. Net zero carbon emission, that is what they are aiming at, that carbon emission will be zero by 2070. The next question is, senior citizen savings scheme deposit limit increased to 30 lakh. Senior citizen savings scheme deposit limit increased to 30 lakh. Mahila Samman savings certificate. Mahila Samman savings certificates for 2-year term with deposit limit up to 2 lakh. So up to 2 lakh it can be deposited. 2 term is the 2 year is the duration, that's the term, and Mahila Samman savings certificate for it. Deposit limit that they have shown. Scheme for training and credit to artisans. Scheme and credit. See, scheme for training and credit. Loan will be provided, training will be provided to those people who are into some sort of creation, those who actually make paintings and all, every person. So scheme for training and credit to artisans, PM Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman. They are artists, you can actually call them that way. That's how you can learn them. Scheme for training and credit to artisans, PM Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman. They may give you the name of some scheme and they'll ask you what is it all about, what is it for. So Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman is for artisans training, artisans credit. Mangrove plantation along coastline under Mishti scheme. So Mishti is what? Mangrove initiative for shoreline habitats, tangible incomes. I'll repeat. Mangrove plantation along coastline. Mangrove trees, I mean to say that. So along coastline, mangrove plantation will start under Mishti scheme. What is this Mishti all about? It is mangrove initiative for shoreline habitats, tangible incomes. That is why I've kept the initials in the red color. You can see Mishti, MIS, shoreline, H for habitat, coastline, shoreline, tangible incomes. So learn it that way. The questions are significant. Senior citizen saving scheme, 30 lakh limit. Mahila Samman saving certificate for 2 years. For the term 2 years, 2 lakh maximum. Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman is for training and credits to artisans. And mangrove plantation under Mishti scheme. Tax changes, rebates limit. See, that you have to understand carefully. You have to know like up to 7 lakh. Rebate limit on IT in new tax regime. Rebate limit on income tax in new tax regime increased to 7 lakh. Like up to 7 lakh rebate is there. IT slabs as per the budget are there as follows. IT slabs new tax regime up to 3 lakh tax exemption limit nil. You need not pay anything till 3 lakh. But from 3 to 6, 5%. From 6 to 9, it is 10%. From 9 to 12, it is 15%. From 12 to 15, it is 20%. And above 15 lakh, there will be a slab of 30%. So that is what I was actually explaining it to you. The session on budget gets wrapped up here. And I really feel that you have understood most of the things. If you have not, try to watch the first session on union budget and then this one. This will be in the continuation and this is going to benefit you a lot. If you have understood everything, do press the like button. And if you wish to study from us, the numbers are given below. You can dial us and get in touch with our executives for the courses or for the notes. Thank you so much for watching.